Present for sale at 3 Pines Garage. Registration KW19VXG. Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3.5T chassis cab. It has done 71,000 miles and is fitted with a winch. It's a Category S vehicle, and we've owned it since it had 20,000 miles. The truck comes with DAB radio, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, cruise control, push-button start, a tow bar, and automatic headlights. A smart and practical recovery truck ready to be put straight to work on heavy long-distance journeys while still offering that classy Mercedes feel. Conveniently fitted with a winch, ramps, and a tow bar, it will make a fine addition to any recovery company. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. Part exchange is considered at trade value. Finance options available and warranty is included. There is no VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to 3pinesgarage.co.uk now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.